Hello everybody and welcome back. If you remember the last time I was talking on here about my peps, I was speaking on how I was going to be starting MOT-C. I am now on my third dose this week of MOT-C. I am still on the retatrutide. This MOT-C is going to be going on for about 4 weeks in my protocol. And there'll be SS31 getting introduced in a couple of weeks from now. And they should be finishing at the same time, and then I'll be on to my next phase of my protocol from there. And so yeah, it's been interesting just getting sequences going. Still on the retatrutide. And yeah, let's talk about what the MOT-C is going to be here for. We're talking about influencing energy production, metabolic regulation, inflammatory responses, things to help benefit my connective tissue health. And as a bonus, this is going to help my skin elasticity out. So that's great. I'm already getting compliments that I'm looking younger. So that's not bad. So there's going to be a lot of promotion of replication of mitochondria within the cells. And this is going to help cells release their mitochondrial density and improve all overall energy generation capacity. Right? So the more energy we can make, the more energy we can have. What a great result. And also more energy for healing, etc., etc. So with improved mitochondrial function, the cellular engines could produce more ATP, right? More ATP means more energy currency. So in practical terms, means better energy availability for your muscles, your brains, and other tissues during daily activities for recovery from exertion. And or if your body's like working on particular things like regeneration. This is what we're working on for me in my spine and my discs, regeneration. And hopefully this will even help out my knee, my ankle. I have long sustained injuries from skateboarding and snowboarding there and other activities. So it's pretty interesting, this stuff, I have to say, right? We're getting deep. So a key mechanism in this also involves AMPK, the cellular energy sensor. MOT-C is going to help influence AMPK signaling, which acts as a master regulator for our energy balance. So when our AMPK is activated, cells ramp up energy production, enhance mitochondrial function, and improve our metabolic readiness. This is going to contribute to a metabolic environment that supports tissue resilience, especially in demanding settings like my lifestyle. Man, like I work out a ton just from when I'm doing my job, never mind when I'm doing my own personal training, right? So, which has been slowed down dramatically into pretty much a halt since I found out my diagnosis and been working on it. So, by influencing cellular energy and stress responses, it'll help modulate inflammatory pathways as well in our body, reducing oxidative stress, supporting recovery, right? After exercise or injury, right? So pretty amazing stuff. So in tissues like skin, injectable MOT-C peptides may support connective tissues remodeling with tissue remodeling and collagen maintenance. So potentially we're going to be contributing to much more resilience in my joints, more elasticity with my skin. I mean, that's just the bonus, the whole skin thing. I'm here for other uses, as we know. So, you know, I'm looking for structural integrity, and this is what this can translate into. So that's pretty exciting for me, you know, and it should be exciting for others listening. So supporting tissue repair with MOT-C peptides can help repair and be remodeling. It's going to be doing support for recovery with the tissue stress. And it's a neuroprotective and cognitive influence on neural resilience as well. With energy availability to the brain, MOT-C is going to be modulating energy pathways, and it's going to contribute to a robust metabolic milieu that supports daily functioning and resilience. Like, this is freaking huge, you guys. It's it's just wild, and I'm so happy I have arrived to this and I'm a part of it. And this is just phase 2 of my peptide protocol. Soon enough, I'm going to be adding SS31 in this phase, and I'm also still on retatrutide, like I say. The MOT-C is going to be part of this protocol for 4 weeks, and so there we have it. That's today's check-in, and I thank you so much for viewing, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe. This is going to help me help others, and by you just doing that, you're helping me help others. But that'll be it for today, and here's my dose. I'll be going into my belly, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for viewing. I really appreciate you. All right, let's do this. Healing, 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 onwards and upwards.